How to recover your password on Gmail if you've forgotten it. First thing, you want to open your web browser and then search for Google Accounts. Now it will open up the accounts.google.com. You just want to tap on the first link. If you have already signed into this page, you might want to log out from that account and enter the Gmail that you've forgotten your password of. Then tap on Next. And from here, you just tap on Forgot Password. It will take you to a security page where you have to enter your phone number, but if you don't have your phone, tap on Try Another Way. And you can tap on Try Another Way to sign in. And if you could not provide your sign-in info, then it will ask you to try again and enter your account recovery. Then tap on Next and tap on Try Another Way. Here you will have to enter your phone number, or if you tap on Try Another Way, there is an option to send a two-step verification on phone. So if you just enter your phone number, it will give you an OTP. Now once you have entered your number, they will send an OTP, so I'm just going to enter that. Once you have entered your OTP, you can just tap on Next. And here it will ask you to check your phone and tap on Yes. It will send a notification that if it's really you. If you have not gotten that code, you can just tap on Resend it. And this will pop up on your screen, so you can just tap on Yes, it's me. Now you just tap on the code that was just displayed on your account recovery, which is 47. So we are just going to enter the code. And if you go back here, it will ask you a way to sign in. So you can just tap on Try Another Way to sign in. Now they will just send you an email, and after 48 hours, you can just tap on the link to reset your password. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one.